know what it's like to hit rock bottom, to feel like the world is crumbling around you. But let me tell you something, my brethren. The greatest victories often rise from the ashes of defeat. In this video, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart: making the greatest comeback of your life. Now, I'm no stranger to setbacks. In fact, I've had my fair share of challenges, failures, and moments where it felt like the world was crashing down around me. But you know what? I'm still here, stronger than ever, and ready to share the secrets to bouncing back when life knocks you down. First off, let's talk about some real-life examples of people who've made epic comebacks. Think about legends like J.K. Rowling, who went from being a struggling single mother on welfare to one of the most successful authors of all time. Or look at athletes like Michael Jordan, who faced rejection and failure, but never gave up on his dreams. These individuals didn't just bounce back, they soared to new heights, proving that setbacks are just stepping stones to success. So, how do you maintain motivation and resilience when the going gets tough? It's all about mindset, my friends. You've got to cultivate a positive attitude, even in the face of adversity. Surround yourself with uplifting people, practice gratitude daily, and remember that every setback is an opportunity for growth. When you focus on what you can control and stay committed to your goals, nothing can stand in your way. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. What are the specific steps and strategies you can use to stage a comeback? Well, first and foremost, you've got to believe in yourself. Trust me, self-doubt is the biggest obstacle standing between you and your dreams. So start by silencing that inner critic and replacing negative thoughts with affirmations of your worth and potential. Next, set clear, achievable goals and create a plan of action to reach them. Break it down into small, manageable steps and celebrate every victory along the way. And most importantly, stay adaptable. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes you'll need to pivot or change course entirely. Embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Self-doubt. We've all been there, my friends. But here's the thing. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. So when those moments of doubt creep in, remind yourself of your past successes, your strengths, and the support system you have in place. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. And remember, failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of it. So, dust yourself off, stand tall, and keep pushing forward. Now, you might be wondering, can this approach be applied to different areas of life? Absolutely. Whether you're striving for success in your career, seeking fulfillment in your relationships, or chasing after personal goals, the principles of resilience and perseverance remain the same. The key is to stay flexible, stay focused, and stay true to yourself. No matter what challenges you're facing, know that you have the power within you to overcome them and emerge stronger on the other side. Of course, there comes a time when we must ask ourselves, is it worth it to stage a comeback, or is it better to move on? This is where self-awareness becomes crucial. Take a step back and evaluate the situation honestly. Are you still passionate about your goals? Do you believe in the path you're on? And perhaps most importantly, are you willing to put in the work and make the sacrifices necessary to achieve success? If the answer is yes, then by all means, go for it with everything you've got. But if not, don't be afraid to pivot, reassess your priorities, and chart a new course forward. Remember, it's never too late to start over and pursue a life that truly fulfills you. Now let's talk about some common pitfalls and mistakes to avoid when trying to stage a comeback. One of the biggest traps people fall into is dwelling on past failures or getting stuck in a victim mentality. Listen, my friends, the past is behind you, and you have the power to shape your future. So, let go of regrets, forgive yourself for any mistakes, and focus on what you can do right now to move forward. Another common mistake is trying to go it alone. Don't be afraid to lean on your support network, seek guidance from mentors, or invest in personal development resources that can help you on your journey. And finally, Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Remember, every successful person has faced setbacks and obstacles along the way. The difference is, they didn't let those setbacks define them. They used them as fuel to propel themselves forward. Now, you might be wondering, how long does it typically take to execute a successful comeback? Well, my friends, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to that question. It all depends on the complexity of your goals, the intensity of your efforts, and the level of resilience you bring to the table. Some comebacks may happen quickly, while others may take months or even years of dedication and perseverance. The important thing is to stay patient, stay persistent, and trust that your efforts will pay off in the end. And speaking of efforts, let's talk about the importance of support networks and resources. No one achieves greatness alone, my friends. We all need a helping hand from time to time, whether it's a friend offering words of encouragement, a mentor sharing valuable advice, or a book, podcast, or course providing inspiration and guidance. So, don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help when you need it. And remember, there's strength in vulnerability. By opening up and sharing your struggles with others, you not only lighten your own burden, but also create space for deeper connections and meaningful relationships. Finally, let's talk about how to measure progress and success throughout your comeback journey. It's important to set milestones and benchmarks along the way so you can track your growth and celebrate your achievements. Whether it's hitting a certain sales target in your business, reaching a new personal best in your fitness journey, or deepening the bond in your relationships, take the time to acknowledge how far you've come and give yourself credit for the hard work you've put in. And remember, success is not just about reaching the destination. It's about embracing the journey and becoming the best version of yourself along the way. Well, my brethren, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember to show some love by subscribing. Till next time, stay men.